It's Easter weekend, which means we're only 1 week away from Road March.
I cannot wait. So, on tonight's show, we have all the excitement from Magnum Wednesday's anniversary.
Content that kicked off with a bang.
And Conscience really shows a different side when he holds a reason with Stan Jizzle.
All this and lots more, starting now on Intense.
It's one of the biggest street dances on a Wednesday night. Just ask Sanjay. This Wednesday, they celebrated an anniversary and you know we had to represent.
It's Magnum Wednesday's anniversary.
Daga intense, man.
What's that?
Daga intense.
You know them shaky for a long time, so not to believe in a one time. The future brighter than sunshine. Just make it on back by the election. You ready? I didn't just go in the rebellion.
Yeah, no, Magnum Wednesday's anniversary.
You know, from day one we are playing, so we know the routine.
Truly.
Leviticus 20 verse 30.
When it comes to a thing like anniversary, everybody have a show board. From a man like you up there and the whole Intense family. You know the normal.
Rootsy, big up yourself. Video with you now.
We are roll Magnum Wednesday.
Crazy thing.
Bully, bully.
Roll, we are rolling.
Book feet and I look feet, eh?
Yes, sir.
Ready for them?
Ready for them.
Jet life. Yo, fly as your life.
No boys. Diver.
Right now, Magnum, at one place right now. Mark one body, Shelly Belly, and tear up piece of up here.
Ready for a long time. I don't know some I'm a Magnum, so I take charge right about now.
You know, Intense with the pan, so I have to go to the exclusive one. Put it on TV. Put it on TV. Put it on TV. I'll talk to you next week about that one, okay? But we're there in a Sanjay.
Sanjay, big up yourself. You don't know the whole thing, so you have to go to New York.
My dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings.
You have someone up for a start a road and run call left them friend. Me never run left my friend. If you this one here for this all.
My dog them a feelings.
All I would not run left them friend. Big with me calling, but me come on in a dog place like a man. H2O, cash run. Post it for the dad. Listen. Let me tell about some boy.
Magnum Wednesday is an early ending, but how you enjoy it?
You know, say enjoy it great though, cause differently still turn out it great. The party never normal, but the feds them turn it out.
It's a mad move. Party slap, but the police are running. You know, some more time we have a big new life. You hear that? Mad move, TVJ. Oh.
Magnum Wednesday, slap can't complain.
A late night, but police still bring it to an early ending. Magnum Wednesday's anniversary still take charge.